How to mask unfollow on Instagram. First of all, open Instagram app and make sure to sign in on your account. Once done, proceed towards profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you will see the peoples we have followed on Instagram. So how to unfollow them at once or how to mask unfollow them on Instagram. So simply I'll show you one easiest way, that is come back to home screen and go to profile and then select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see the option of help at the bottom of the screen under more info and support, and select report a problem option. Once done, tap on report the problem without seeking and select include and continue, and here you have to briefly explain what actually happened or what's not working. You can simply report here that hi Instagram team, I wanna mask unfollow on Instagram, and you need to add the detail about why you wanna unfollow them on Instagram. Once done, if you have any attachment, you can upload any file or attachment using this upload button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once done, tap on send at the top right corner, and once your request or report has been sent to Instagram, it will help us to find the solution for your issue after 48 hours or 24 hours. So you will get the mail, and from that mail you can easily get the file that will help you to mask unfollow on Instagram. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.